This episode presents a gentle cough aid using thyme and sage suitable for children, women, and men seeking natural relief. Historically valued by healers, thyme carries antiseptic notes, while sage offers throat-soothing compounds passed through generations. Make a simple steam by adding herbs to hot water, breathe deeply, then sip a cooled infusion between breaths. In children, shorten steeping and dilute. Adults may add a touch of honey for taste and extra calm. With proper dousing and rest, this approach aims to reduce coughing frequency and support comfortable recovery.